Today we have a ostomate with us whom we are going to teach how to manage at home and how should he apply the bag at home and remove the bag. We are going to go through that process to teach him so that even you people can learn from this.
This is Sensora Mio one-piece system. Here, the adhesive base plate and stoma bag are one piece. It comes in two options, opaque and transparent. Sensora Mio has an elastic body fit technology which provides flexibility during body movements. Sensora Mio has unique full circle filter which helps to remove gases significantly and provide better sleep quality. Sensora Mio has all-new water-repellent textile material in neutral grey color for optimal discretion, bathing and comfort. Ask the end user to take stoma size with help of stoma measuring guide. As per measured stoma size, we will mark the length and width on the adhesive, which is 45 mm in length and 38 mm in width. The end user should be trained to draw the shape of stoma as per markings. We will use this special curved scissor to cut the base plate. Before cutting the adhesive, hold the back layer of the bag to keep it separate from adhesive. Start cutting the adhesive in a circular movement and make sure to cut 1 to 2 mm more than the stoma size. After cutting, make sure the edges are smooth to avoid piercing of stoma. The first accessory to be used on peristomal skin is Comfeel Cleanser, which has a property of moisturizing the skin because of natural coconut oil. First, clean the outer edge and move towards the stoma. As this product is gentle to skin, so it can be directly applied on stoma for cleaning. Next step is application of Comfeel Barrier Cream. This cream provides nourishment to the skin by moisturizing and keeping the skin pH at 5.5. Usage of this cream ensures healthy skin and healing of mild excoriation. Apply Comfeel Barrier Cream on the peristomal skin by a gentle massage. Ask the end user to gently massage it and leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the Comfeel Barrier Cream after a few minutes gently with a cotton swab. It leaves a transparent film to protect the skin around the stoma. Next step is application of ostomy powder, which is used to keep the skin healthy and dry. This should be applied on the dry skin. Sprinkle it around the stoma and spread it with the help of cotton swab. Ask the end user to follow the step and excess powder should be completely wiped off. Now, we will apply the Brava moldable ring. Make sure the skin is clean and dry. Remove the ring from the packaging. Remove both release liners. Mold and stretch the ring to the desired shape. Press gently into place to assure a good skin contact. Adjust the shape again if needed. Apply the stoma bag from bottom to top, avoiding any air bubble. After applying, roll the fingers on the inner circle of the adhesive and then gradually move to outer circle to make sure the adhesive is firmly in place. Now, next step is application of new and improved Brava elastic tape. Take 2 pieces of tape, peel the cover and apply on the edges of the adhesive as shown. While applying the tape, one must ensure that half width of the tape should come on the adhesive and remaining half on the skin. Encourage the end user to apply the other half of the tape on other side. Now, the next step is application of Brava lubricating deodorant. This neutralizes odor and provides multi-lubricating effect, which ensures that content is always at the bottom of the bag and not around the stoma. Put 3 to 4 ml of lubricating deodorant in the bag and then close the hideaway outlet by making 3 folds in the same direction. Fold the bag and stick it with Velcro dot. We call it as hideaway outlet. Then spread the deodorant by gently rubbing the 2 layers. To ensure painless removal of stoma bag, Coloplast has a unique product known as Brava Adhesive Remover Spray. Gently spray the Brava Adhesive Remover Spray on the edges of the adhesive and start the removal from top to bottom. The Brava Adhesive Remover is sting-free and its silicone polymers ensure easy and painless removal. Dispose the used ostomy bag in a plastic bag and throw in the garbage bin.